Advantage Plus Audience Targeting is Facebook's AI-driven system that automatically expands your ad's reach beyond your initial audience selections. It uses machine learning to find users similar to your defined audience who are likely to convert. The system is enabled by default for most campaign types. However, if you prefer more control over your targeting, you can disable this feature. As of 2025, Meta offers several methods to turn off Advantage Plus audience targeting. The first method is during campaign creation. Navigate to Ads Manager and create a new campaign. In the Campaign Settings section, look for the Advantage Plus Audience option and toggle it to off, or select Use Original Audiences Only. For existing campaigns, edit the campaign and find the Audience Settings section. Uncheck Allow Facebook to expand audience. The third method is at the account level. Go to Business Settings, then Advertising Preferences, and disable Automatic Audience Optimization to apply this change to all future campaigns. These three methods give you complete control over Facebook's Advantage Plus audience targeting, allowing you to choose between automated expansion and manual audience control based on your campaign needs. Recent surveys reveal that 65% of advertisers want more manual control over their Facebook audience targeting, despite Meta's push toward automation. While Meta reports a 23% performance improvement with Advantage Plus enabled, 31% of advertisers still prefer manual control for brand safety and targeting relevance. Case studies show significant benefits when disabling Advantage Plus targeting. Businesses report an 18% reduction in cost per acquisition and a 34% improvement in audience relevance. For B2B companies targeting enterprise clients, manual control proves especially valuable. These businesses see up to 45% improvement in lead quality when they disable automatic audience expansion. Local service businesses benefit significantly from radius targeting. By disabling audience expansion and using location-only targeting, they achieve a 52% reduction in irrelevant clicks. Industry expert John Loomer emphasizes that manual targeting often outperforms Advantage Plus for established businesses with clear customer profiles. The key is understanding when automation helps versus when manual control delivers better results.